Twisted Chinese donuts, Maangchi. Twisted Korean donuts, kwabaegi. Which one you like better?
I like.
Hi guys, I'm Jen. Today I'm gonna make two countries twisted donuts. Twisted Korean donuts, kwabaegi, and twisted Chinese donuts, Maangchi. And we're gonna do the tasting test, see which one is better. Let's make Korean twisted donut dough first. We need 2 tablespoons melted butter, a cup of milk, an egg, 5 tablespoons sugar. Whisk them together. Add a half teaspoon salt, 7 grams dry yeast. Switch to the bread kneading hook. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Turn the KitchenAid medium speed. Let the KitchenAid machine knead the dough for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna transfer this dough to the separate bowl. Cover it, let it rise for an hour. After an hour, we can check out the dough. It's double-sized. Use a hand to deflate. Then cover it, let it rise for another hour. The donut dough is ready. I'm gonna put some flour on the surface. Take the dough out. Divide the dough for 16 pieces. Roll them, make them like a little ball. I didn't weigh them, but they should be almost equal. Now I'm gonna twist it. Start from the center, spread to the ends. The middle should be thinner, around 6 inches long. Now, I'm gonna use my right hand upward, left hand downward, working like this. I'll lift up both ends. It will automatically twist it like this, and I can twist a little bit more. Twisted Korean donut dough is done. We're gonna set this on the side, let it rise another 30 minutes before we deep fry them. Now I'm gonna make Chinese twisted donut dough, 麻花面团. We need 2/3 cup warm milk, 50 grams honey, 2 teaspoons dry yeast. Mix them together. The warm milk and honey will help me activate the yeast. Wait around 5 minutes until the yeast start foaming. After 5 minutes, you will see the yeast start foaming. Add egg. Whisk them together. 2½ cup of bread flour goes in. Use a medium speed. Knead the dough for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna add room temperature 3 tablespoons butter. Medium speed. Keep kneading about another 7 minutes. After it's done kneading, you can see the dough is pretty smooth and soft. Transfer the dough to the other bowl. Cover it. Let it rise for about 1½ hour. Look at this double-sized Chinese donut dough. Punch to deflate. Divide the dough into 12 even pieces. Roll each piece into a long strip, about 20 inches. Match 2 strips together. Use both of your hands to twist them in opposite directions. Bring 2 ends together and the donut will braid naturally. Pinch and tuck the end under. Use a plastic wrap to cover them. I did put some flour on the counter underneath those donut dough in case they stick together. Let it rise 30 minutes before we deep fry them. Now I'm gonna fry the donut. The fry oil temperature should be 350 Fahrenheit. Gently flip it. Fry it around 5 minutes until it's golden and brown. It should be done. Deep fry twisted Chinese donut. The oil temperature is around 350 Fahrenheit too. Flip it. Couple minutes per side. Once they're golden brown, we can take it out. Twisted Chinese donuts, mahua. Twisted Korean donuts, kwabegi. Smells amazing. Let's check out this Chinese mahua twisted donut. Twisted Korean donut. Inside texture looks so similar. Taste test. Let me try the Chinese one first. This is amazing. The texture is more like between bread and donut. It's like deep fried bread. Korean one. Oh wow, this one is super delicious too. You can taste this one is softer and sweeter. I can decide which one is better. I just tried both of them as it is, didn't add any sugar coating. You always can coat some cinnamon sugar. Those are twisted Korean donut, already add the sugar coating. What you do is you just use the cinnamon powder and the sugar mixed together like this. Put some sugar on the top of the donut. Make sugar coating. These two twisted donuts are from different countries. So you're gonna see which one's better.
I just want to eat it all.
Try this one.
This is even crunchier, and this one's just way softer.
Which one you like better?
I like this one better. I changed my mind. I like both of them.
I can't make a decision either. They both are so good. Alright, I packed these beauties up and I'm gonna put them in the freezer. They can be breakfast or snack or whenever you feel like to have one. When I was making the dough, I realized the twisted Korean donut dough is more like a wet side. That's why the twisted Korean donut is more soft. For the ingredients part, they are almost the same, except the Chinese style, they use the honey instead of the sugar, and they use the bread flour instead of all-purpose flour. But you know what? We have pretty similar food culture. Try both of them out. They both are delicious. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe and like. I will see you next time. Bye!